Why should you get an EX430 over another multimeter? With 11 different functions and a 0.3% accuracy, this multimeter is a great value for everyone, from the professional to the do-it-yourselfer. The EX430 is a true RMS multimeter. A true RMS multimeter measures with better accuracy, giving you added confidence when working on AC circuits. This is especially useful when troubleshooting today's more complicated electrical systems. The EX430 has a temperature function that allows you to attach the included temperature probe, ideal for checking appliances, heating and air conditioning systems, components, and steam lines. You can also test capacitors with the capacitance function. Capacitors are everywhere, whether you're working on a breadboard project or troubleshooting your home heating system's blower motor. Chances are a burnt-out capacitor could be the cause. This useful function helps you get right to the problem. The EX430's wide measuring range gives it universal application and is designed with ergonomics in mind. Its built-in tilt stand, rubber holster, and easy-to-read backlit display make it the ideal meter for students, tradesmen, and hobbyists. It's the perfect gift item for a do-it-yourselfer. One tool, more results. The EXTECH EX430.